beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Britt. What's up? Okay, so I'm bored, so I'm going to do my makeup. And I'm going to share with you a story. Not really. I just lied. I've already moisturized my face. She moisturized. I'm going to do my eyebrows first. I feel like I should talk throughout these videos because without me talking, it's kind of boring. So what I'm thinking about doing in the future in my videos, my makeup videos, is reviewing a movie because I love watching movies, binge watching series. So I may just start doing that. And I love going back to watch old school movies. Like, I will watch Sister Act 1, 2, back to back. How many of y'all are excited about Netflix releasing all of these amazing shows? Like, I'm super excited. I've already watched each and every episode of each and every sitcom at least 10 times throughout my whole entire lifetime. I love me some sister, most of the each of the I cannot wait. It took them long enough though. Like, they could have been had these shows on here. No wonder Tamara left the reel. She said, my royalty check's about to come back in. I'm ready to go. I don't have to do nothing but take care of my kids, worry about this winery we have in Napa, focus more on my family. I see you, girl. I see you. So I just got a lot of palettes in from ColourPop. I want to use this palette right here. This is the Aren't You Glad palette from ColourPop. Look at how pretty these colors are. Do y'all see how pretty this is? Like, these colors are so gorgeous. Actually, you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to go off camera, do this eye, and then come back and show you how I did it on this eye. Because I don't really know what situation I'm finna get myself into right now. As far as using these colors on my lid, I need to figure it out, and I'll be back. Okay, so I know what I want to do now. So I'm going to go into Rise and Grind. And I'm going to put this right on top of this just because this is brighter and electrifying. Electrifying! It's very bold and I need something bold, you know. But most of Mommy wasn't doing it. It's very powdery too. This palette is picking up very powdery. It's like powder. I think I'm going to do a neon type of look. Yeah, I think I should do that. Okay, I figured it out. I want it to look like this. This is just a nice moment right there. Let me show you what I did. Okay, I'm going into the Berries by Juvia's. So don't mind those darker spots. I just accidentally wet the pan. So that's water, so it deepens the shade. So I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna pack that right on top of that. Mo to the E to the mo to the boom, bam. That's how it's looking. It doesn't look too, you know, carved out yet. I'm getting there. So we're gonna pick up another palette, this baby right here, In a Trance by ColourPop. This is the color scheme. I've already been in it, of course, but it looks like that. I am going to pick this up right here. I think, no, yes, that. And I'm just gently just going to blend out this harsh line and also bring dimension to it. So what I'm gonna do is go into Daydream Baby. This is basically an outline for where I want my liner to go, and I'm going to create this liner effect with eyeshadow like I normally do. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this shade right here on top of this pink. So what show are you more excited about? I wonder what took them so long. I said this before, but I really do. Like, they had Crooklyn. They have Crooklyn on there. That's my favorite movie of all time, Crooklyn. But they didn't have to dog the black sitcoms like that. Like, it was barely any on Netflix, if not one. So I'm going back into the Inner Trace palette. I'm going to place this right here. These pastel colors are really gorgeous in this palette. I think I'm done adding, but it's like this weird part of my eye right here that just do not want to pick up any product. What is up with my eye? Okay, so now I'm about to start on the base of my face. This is Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Cameroon. Using my beauty blender to blend this in. You may think that this is enough, but I'm going in with another foundation like that much, and I'm just going to go on top of this. Did I have to put this much? Absolutely not, but I wanted to. It's going to continue to blend because we all know blending is life. Don't forget your neck, because your neck has to blend in with the rest of your face. Okay, so now I am concealing with Juvia's Place concealer. I can't think of the name right now. I Am Magic or something like that. You know what to do next? Yes, blending is life. Any suggestions on what movies I should be reviewing for y'all? It's not just going to be movies. It's going to be a combination of a lot of shows, movies, whether they're new or old. Even if it's bad, list it down below. So I'm gonna layer up on these powders on my face because I'm currently out of the Fit Me powder. This, look at that. I hit pan a long time ago. I'm embarrassed, but don't come for me. The reason why I like to mattify my face is because I get very oily all over, but mostly right here, very quickly. So if my face is not mattified and dried down, it's going to look like I've been swimming and I didn't go swimming. For the lighter areas, I am using this shade right here. It's a bit yellow for me, but it's about to work today, honey. Okay, so now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette. I need to actually go back to the store and get some more of this tomorrow because I really like this contour palette. Okay, back to these movies. I feel like I've watched so many films throughout my entire lifetime. That's because my family is really into watching movies as a family, and my dad, he loved filming. He has a lot of home videos of us, of the family, just having events, family outings. It just brings so much joy to rewatch those films. I started theater because of my dad, like the arts, because I knew it was okay for me to do it because he did it, and I was just like, oh my God, it looks so much fun. I used to model as a kid as well. I have my pictures from when I first did my very first photo shoot ever. I was like in 8th grade, I believe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is my under eye. I figured it out. I know what I wanna do now. So I'm going in on Your Power on the outer corner of my eye first, of my lower lash, and I'm just gonna pat that on. I know my brush is dirty. I just did the other eye. I'm going to start blending this shade into the wing, and I'm just going to continue to blend. Now for the center of my eye, I'm going over to the left and picking up that pretty blue. What's this, a periwinkle blue? So now I'm just going to switch it again, and I'm going back into that purple. Now I'm going to go into Future Self. Oh, this baby blue is gorgeous, y'all. Just so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna put this on my waterline. Okay, so I'm going in with this pink now. And I'm putting this in my tear ducts. I'm going into this Steve Laurent blush. And I'm starting here. And I'm just dragging it down. It adds to the contour. I love it. But I don't think I need, ooh, I put too much. Never too much, never too much. I needed this much. That's all I needed. I went a little too overboard. I guess that'll work. It's a lot. It's too much. I could have stopped a long time ago. I should have stopped. But I just had to keep going. I guess I'm going for this glowy look. I can't stop. I can't stop. I feel like I should highlight there. Y'all see that? It's too much. It has to dry down, and once it dries down, oh, that's pretty. Listen, I need to go off camera to put these lashes on because it's going to take a good 15 to 20 minutes for me to put one on. So I gotta get a head start on y'all, okay? Oh, they holding on by dear life right now because I did not put these on that well. They just there, okay? It's the best that I can do right now. So I just finished watching this documentary series on Netflix. I think it's on Netflix. Yeah, I think it's 8 episodes. So it's about this doctor named Dr. Hicks. So this guy used to basically sell babies. He sold babies without the parents knowing. He would tell the parents that their child died or it was stillborn so that he can sell these kids on the market for $1,000. Or he would have these girls that were getting abortions, because abortions were illegal back in that time. He would tell the parents that, oh, just keep it, have your baby, and I will give it up for adoption. And that's what he did. This man was literally selling babies on the black market for $1,000 to adopted families that didn't know that they were taking a baby and the mother didn't give it up for adoption or anything like that. He sold over 200 babies, and the oldest one, I don't really know when they did the documentary as far as like filmed it, but he was in his 60s. This whole community knew about this. The people at the top was helping this man. The mayor actually had a child. They called themselves the Hicks babies, like their little community, because they were all out of this clinic in this place, and they were like, we have a connection, so they call themselves the Hicks babies. But one of them was actually the mayor's biological child, and it was covered up. Her adoption was covered up by the Hicks. Like the whole mayor was in cahoots with the doctor. It was just like too much going on in this community. But it turns out that this doctor was actually selling some of his babies. Like he had a lot of mistresses. Like he was sleeping with this girl, that girl, the next girl, and the next girl over there, and the one next to her. Like he was just sleeping with young women and basically knocking them up and saying, oh, I'm gonna take care of this, I'm gonna give this child to a good family, just to keep his reputation together in the community, y'all. Like it would take a sick person in the mind to just be like, okay, so I'm gonna sell people's kids without them knowing. I'm just telling them they stillborn or they died. He was inducing pregnancies so that he can have babies to sell. These Hicks kids, these Hicks babies, whatever they call themselves. Sorry if I offended y'all, but the Hicks babies, basically, they found out that they were born at 5 pounds, blah 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 ounces, 4 pounds, blah 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 ounces. They were so tiny, like they were all premature. But yeah, that whole series is crazy. That documentary series is crazy. I'm gonna pop on some of my earrings. Yeah, I go with these. Y'all should watch it. It's very interesting. This is the final look. What do y'all think? I'm really loving this look. All right, so that's it, and kind of sort of a little taste of movie makeup Monday. Let's talk about movies. Let's talk about series, sitcoms, whatever, good, bad, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, anything. Just let me know down below what y'all want me to review for y'all, because I'm so ready for it. And I'm going to be doing my makeup while I do that, and I'm excited about it. Okay, y'all, so don't forget to look down below in the description box so that you can shop Imori Ray K. I will have her Instagram page down below. Get y'all a good little outfit. She also has sunglasses now available on her shop, so click down below, go directly to that. And as always be you, because there's only one you. You're awesome, you're amazing, you are one of a kind. I will see y'all next time. Deuces.